everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Iya Rubina Kaur from Artec Infosys. So let's just continue with another chapter of Java. Now we're going to discuss about Java OOPS concept. Java is based on class and object system, object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. We have also read some of these in C, C++ languages, which we have read earlier, but we'll get into more new things in Java. Object. An entity that has state and behavior is known as object. Class is collection of object. It is a logical entity. Inheritance. When one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of parent object, that is known as inheritance. Then polymorphism. When one task is performed by different ways, it is known as polymorphism. Abstraction is hiding. That is, we are hiding internal details and showing functionality. It is known as abstraction. Encapsulation, binding or wrapping code and data together into a single unit is called encapsulation. Java naming conventions. Class name. So as here I have already explained, but I can make it that in more detail. That is the class name of Java. In Java language, what is the name of class is always in a capital letter. You can't start the name of a class with some small letter. It should start with uppercase and be a noun like string, color, button, system. Noun is a place, name or thing. Interface name should start with uppercase letter but an objective like runnable, remote, action, listener, etc. It should be an adjective. Method name should start with lowercase letter and be a verb. Example, action performed, main, print, println, etc. Variable name should start with lowercase letter. Example, first name, order name, etc. Package name should be in lowercase. Example, Java, language, SQL, util, etc. Constants name, it should be in uppercase. Example, red, yellow, max, / property. Now objects in Java. An object has three characteristics. State, it represents data value of an object. Behavior, it represents the behavior functionality of an object. Identity, object identity is typically implemented via unique ID. Object is an instance of class. Object is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. So object is the instant result of a class. Class in Java. A class in Java can contain data members, methods, constructor, block, interface. Now, how to declare a class? Class and then class name, data members, method, and then close the class. Now this is a simple example of object and class. We have made a class over here with the name student. Opening the class, we gave a data member over here that is of integer type, that is int id. String name, string type variable having its id as name. Then we'll call the main. In the main section, we'll make objects of student class. Student s1 is equal to new student. Then to get the print, we'll show s1.id space s1.name. And in the output, we will get no values, 0 and null. 0 is for integer and null is for string, because we didn't pass any values, but we got the data member which we initialized in it. I hope you all would run this program and let me know the results in the comment section. So those who are learning Java with me in this very tutorial, just perform this program right now, and if you get any kind of error, just comment it in my comment box of the video and send me the outputs so that they can be resolved out. Example of object and class that maintains the records of student. So this is another example. Class student, int roll number, then string name, then A method is initialized. Void insert method int r string n. Roll number is assigned a value r. Name is assigning value n. Then closing the class. Then another method void display information in which will print these values. Calling the main object, making another object and passing the values. This is just calling the method and passing the value of S1 class object. S2 another way. After that, we are passing the values with the help of two objects. Then to display S1 dot display information, again object, and here the program is over and the output would come which the value we passed 111 current 222 RN. You can pass anyhow any values, any name or numbers from it to get the student records as many as you want by making the object. So friends, make this tutorial also done and just write down this in your NetBeans or any other environment you are using for Java and just show me the result which you get. Now what actually happens inside the memory? S1 has its own space which it gave ID the value 222 and name RN, where S1 did the same thing. This is the heap memory. Now another example of object in class. Here the class name is rectangle, int length, int width, void insert int L, int W. L length is equals to L, width is equals to W, void calculate area, then length star width which would calculate the area example formally, then main rectangle object, insert the values, calling calculate area, and here comes the output. So this is the area. Now this is the functionality. Here it's showing a big functionality. I hope you can make such more programs by making another functionalities like making an area of square and rectangle. We have already done triangle, so which would enhance your skills and much more you'll know about Java. Now anonymous object, new calculator dot add, creating multiple objects by one type only. Rectangle R1 is equal to new rectangle, R2 is equal to new rectangle. So this is creating again two objects. Next topic is method overloading in Java. So in our next tutorial we'll come back on this topic, and this is very interesting and knowledgeable in Java. So please subscribe to our channel so that you are able to get more information, and to register in our course you should go to errubinacode.com/register and register out there for our full course. And in case you want online certification from us in the same, you can just WhatsApp at 8437629825 which is given in our description. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.
आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट जानें। सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और हम आपको लिए चलेंगे आपकी फेवरेट वीडियो की तरफ।
Make your business a brand with us. Arctic Infosys, one place for all your digital needs. In this video, we'll inform you about our fourth module, that is internationally verified certificates. Online certification, the fourth module of Arctic Infosys. We are here to make your business online with us, to make your business a brand. So this is the fourth module, online classroom. We're going to provide you certification which are internationally verified and proven. So let's come together in our online classroom of various language discussion of IT. As now you are free at home, so skill yourself and step into the new world of knowledge and grasp all the skills. Here is the list of the certification in computer application, in computer programming, GST, management, various different courses. We're going to provide you diploma, post-graduation diploma, and many other certification which will provide you great opportunities and job in future where you can earn a lot and a lot. So come with us and grasp this opportunity of getting these certificates in very minimum prices. Contact us as soon as possible on 8437629825, which is given in the description.